Good morning, student of class 6. So today we will start in SST chapter 23. Democratic government. Democracy. Democracy is a form of government where people have the right to participate in the governance of the country through their elected representative. So student, democracy is a form of government where people have the right to participate in the governance of our country through their elected representative. Electing representative by exercising right to vote, expressing public opinion through mass media, freedom of speech and expression, freedom to practice any religion freely, freedom to move within the country, conflict resolution through dialogue and negotiation, equality and justice. Newsmaker. Abraham Lincoln was one of the greatest presidents of the United States of America. Lincoln defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. He abolished slavery in the USA. He practiced law before becoming a politician. What is a democratic government? Democracy is a form of government where people have the right to participate in the governance of the country through their elected representative. It is also known as representative democracy. India is a sovereign democratic republic. Sovereign meaning implies a free or independent country where no foreign power is allowed to interfere in any of the internal or external affairs of the country. Republic meaning wherein the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly for a fixed tenure. We elect our leaders or representatives who take decision on our behalf. So student, we elect our leaders who or representative who take decision on our behalf, voice our opinions and fulfill our aspiration. We have the right to express our opinions and views about the policies of the government. So we also have the right to express our opinions, our views about the policies of the government. Elements of democracy. Main feature of democratic government are right of the people to elect their leader. Main feature of democratic government are right of the people to elect their leaders. So we have the right to elect our leaders. Right of the people to express their views freely regarding the policies of the government. So we also have the right to express our views freely regarding the policies which are made by the government. Right of the people to change the government. So we also have the right to change the government. Electing representative by exercising the right to vote. By voting in election, people elect leaders to represent them. So student, we people like us elect leaders that represent a party. These representative takes decision on behalf of the people, and these representative take decision on behalf of the people, such as us. While making policies, they keep the interests of the people in mind. While making the policy, the representative keep the interests of the people in mind. In a democracy, the government is elected for a fixed period. At the end of that period, elections are held again. If the people are satisfied with the government, they may re-elect. If not, they may elect other government. In India, elections are generally held after every 5 years. So student, in a democracy, government is elected for a fixed period of time. At the end of the period, the elections are held again. If the people are not satisfied with the government, they can change the government and elect another one. And the period which are held, which elections are held, are after 5 years. The election commission announces the schedule for the election. So student, the election commission announces the schedule for the election. On the appointed day, all adult citizens of India whose name appear in the voter list can go to polling booth. So all the adult citizens of India whose name appear in the voting list can go to polling booth and cast their vote in favor of the candidate of their choice. And so people can go to polling booth and cast their votes in favor of the candidate of their choice. That is कि जो उन्हें जो पसंद आता है कैंडिडेट उसको वो वोट दे के आते हैं. Candidates who secure the maximum number of votes get elected, and the candidate that gets maximum number of votes gets elected. These candidates represent the people and take decision on their behalf. And students, these candidates represent the people and take decision of their behalf. Other ways of participation. In a democratic country such as India, people show an active interest in the functioning of the government by expressing public opinion through mass media, that is, writing in newspaper and magazine. So, student, in a democratic country such as India, people show an active interest in the functioning of the government by expressing public opinion through mass media. So, student, the people also express their opinion by mass media such as newspaper and magazine. They can even express their views through electronic media such as TV and radio. So the people can also express their views through electronic media such as TV and radio. Sometimes citizens use methods such as signature campaigns, strikes, rally, protests, and dharnas to draw the attention of the government and express their grievance. So students, sometimes citizens use other methods such as signature campaigns. Signature campaigns mean gathering of signature to support an initiative. Strikes, rallies, protests, dharna to draw the attention of the government and express their grievances. As citizens of a democracy, people should do the following thing. Always exercise their right to vote. So student, as a citizen of a democracy, people should do the following thing. First is always exercise their right to vote. We should participate and exercise our right to vote. Vote for the candidate after understanding his or her manifesto. We should only vote for the candidate after understanding his or her manifesto. Manifesto means a public declaration of policy and aims issued before an election by a political party or a candidate. So manifesto is a public declaration of a policy that the candidate has made or a party has made and aims issued before a election by a political party or a candidate. Stay in touch with the happenings of the country. Be aware of the policies of the government. Thank you.